How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io. Today I'm going to be going over the Ethereum metrics. There's a lot we need to be paying attention to today, and just as a heads up, we may be switching to a little bit more of a bullish sentiment. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly why, as well as why today's pump happened. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the analysis though, I want to let you know you can get access to all of the indicators you're about to see me use for up to $600 off. I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video, but these indicators are absolutely crushing it in this market, so be sure to take a look at that. For now, let's check out the news. PayPal introduces on and off ramps for Web3 payments. Today, we're taking another step in increasing access to digital currencies by simplifying how wallets, D-apps, and NFT marketplaces can enable their customers to buy and sell supported crypto in the United States, subject to applicable state law through an integration with PayPal on and off ramps. Once integrated, Web3 merchants can help grow their user base by connecting to PayPal's fast and seamless payment experience trusted by millions, while leveraging PayPal's robust security controls and tools for fraud management, chargebacks, and disputes. PayPal previously launched on-ramps to enable US consumers to directly buy crypto with PayPal through integrations with MetaMask and Ledger, with more coming soon. By adding off-ramps, crypto wallet users in the US can convert their crypto to USD directly from their wallets into their PayPal balance so they can shop, send, save, or transfer to their bank or debit card. PayPal off-ramps is now available to wallets, D-apps, and NFT marketplace and is live on MetaMask today. This is an insane move from PayPal and could be one of the largest mass adoption events we've seen so far in 2023. This will allow many users, including businesses, to start accepting crypto payments. The more people are using cryptocurrency, the more valuable it's going to get. So this is highly bullish news, and I think is directly responsible for this pump in today's price. Diving more into the analysis, we're going to be taking a look at the breakout detector. I'm actually going to turn on the trend dashboard here. We're going to be using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators as well. Starting from the top down, what you're seeing here is the RSI, MACD, and 50, 100, and 200 moving averages are bearish, but very often this is actually where you're going to want to start picking up cryptocurrency. This is where you're going to want to start dollar cost averaging. The reason for this is most often the best time to buy is when things are looking the most bearish. When traders are the most fearful, the most afraid, that's when the largest moves back up in the market are going to come, because whales know how to play this game. Where well money goes, the price is likely to go too, and their jobs as an institution is to gather as much money as possible, most often at the detriment of retail traders. So if you're not trading with whales, then you may be losing quite a bit. Something Travis pointed out in his video is a little bit of divergence on the price versus while money flow. We're seeing price trend very slightly downwards on Ethereum, but price versus while money flow actually shows money moving into the market. A lot of the time, this will actually have a springboard effect and push the price up quite a bit. And I think that's part of the reason we saw a move up today as well, because at this point, whale money is dropping out of the market. But keep in mind, the lower price versus while money flow goes, the more and more likely it is that we're going to see moves back up, because once whale money is oversold, that is when they're going to start buying. You see multiple examples of this right back here. Price versus while money flow is low, we got trades in favor low, we got a buy signal. Now, all three of these will combine to be extremely bullish, and that is exactly what we saw, with the price topping out at a 20% move to the upside. Later on, we saw price versus while money flow low again, we saw trades in favor low, we saw a strong buy signal, and all three of these combined to be a bullish signal to the upside. Not quite as large of a move, but still a move upwards. Very consistent. So as the price versus while money flow drops, as the trades in favor falls into the long trade zone, we will just be looking for a buy or strong buy signal, and when we get all three of these, that should be the perfect point to buy back into Ethereum. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinions. I just got to let you know that. And I do want to warn you that there is a possibility if whale money continues dropping out of the market, we could still fall to that structure support at $1,369 before we see a much larger move back to the upside. That is not out of the cards yet. I'm not trying to invalidate my previous predictions. I know a lot of people have been talking to us about flip-flopping predictions, and I want to just dispel anything right there. I think it is still possible we could drop to that point. We have rejected this structure resistance. Either way, I think we have to drop to either structure support here at $1,540 or as far down here as $1,369. I think it's just inevitable. But as soon as that happens, once again, price versus while money flow is going to be super low. Trades in favor is going to be in its long trade zone, and we should see a buy or a strong buy signal at either of these points. And when all three of those combine, It is insanely bullish. Those are the things that I'm looking for, and either of these opportunities, either of these structure supports will represent wonderful dollar cost averaging opportunities. Now, if you want to get access to all of these indicators that are helping us predict and navigate this market, we are 68 wins, 0 losses in our membership scalping trades. And that is all thanks to these indicators. You can snag these indicators for up to $600 off right now, but only till the end of the week and only as the coupon codes last. All you have to do is check the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the indicators will be the second link. Click that. Our biggest sale yet, the Labor Day sale here, $550 off all indicators today, but because you stayed till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get a full $600 off. Remember, it is limited to the first 100 buyers only. We sent a message about this out to 5,657 of our subscribers, and we're going to be doing it again this week, so be sure to grab your coupons before time runs out. Best possible deal, purchase the Pro Indicator Pack first. Our members get a $200 off discount code. It's actually significantly cheaper, especially while it's on sale, to purchase a membership and then the indicators. Non-members only get a $100 discount code off, and the membership is much cheaper than that. So snag a membership, enjoy all the benefits of that, including a $200 off sale code. Click that link and write it down. Then click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, put in that discount code and click apply, then fill out your information. Click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off. That combined with the $200 membership discount gets you $600 off in total. Just go and click add to cart and you are good to go. Once again, we're just watching as the price begins to retest structure support at $1,540 with a potential drop to $1,369. We're watching for price versus well money flow to bottom out, trades in favor to bottom out, and once we see both of those, especially if we get a buy signal, that's when we're anticipating the next major move to the upside. Snag these indicators while they're still on sale, and with that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.